Welcome to Super Toys. Today we have this Tumbler car.
From the sharper image, this one is a RC360 rally car. As you can see, the remote control is here. This is a pretty straightforward remote control. Here is the car. Looks pretty amazing. Big wheels, small wheels, and this one, this up wheel here. It's a pretty awesome looking car. We'll go and show you how it works. So this is how you play this remote control car. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you guys had a fun time watching this video. This is a pretty awesome tumbler. It works pretty good. We'll see you soon. Please subscribe. Thank you.